Law, a field of intellect, precision, and justice. But behind every case, there is an overwhelming sea of paperwork, endless research, and sleepless nights. What if I told you that artificial intelligence can change everything? Meet AI, your digital legal assistant. Drafting contracts, AI automates it. Researching case laws, AI finds precedents in seconds. Analyzing evidence, AI detects patterns humans might miss. Less time on paperwork, more time on strategy. Less stress, more wins. Join the AI legal revolution. The legal profession isn't just evolving, it's being revolutionized. Are you ready to stay ahead? Join us for an exclusive seminar where experts unveil how AI is reshaping advocacy, investigation, and legal practice. This isn't the future, it's happening now. Are you in?